I'm Dr. Wenger with the Oroville Veterinary Clinic, and about 10 years ago we started, it was in '89, we started charging by the hour in our practice. And there's a little bit of, my partners weren't real comfortable with it, so we had to determine when we started timing, when you stop timing, and we would write it down. And we found that these little Pampered Chef timers worked very well for keeping track of time. They hardly ever had to replace the battery. And so what we do is when we drive in the driveway, we punch the button, and then when we leave the driveway, we punch it again, and that's the time we use, and we try to stay consistent with that. So for example, if it's a real dirty place and you have to spend 10 minutes washing your boots, that gets included in that extra time. So I just wanted you, this is just a good thing to have in your vehicle. It always works, and it saved me a lot of time writing things down. So.